Are black cats incarnations of Satan? Are black cats incarnations of Satan? This question reflects a long history of superstition and misunderstanding. In ancient Egypt, black cats were revered and considered symbols of good fortune and protection, often associated with the goddess Bastet. However, during the Middle Ages in Europe, perceptions shifted dramatically. Black cats became linked to witchcraft and the supernatural, largely due to fear and religious fervor. In 1233, Pope Gregory IX issued the papal bull Vox in Rama, which described black cats as companions of witches and even suggested that Satan could appear in the form of a black cat. This document fueled widespread panic, leading to the persecution and mass killing of black cats across Europe for centuries. Despite these dark associations, there is no evidence that black cats are evil or connected to the devil. In fact, in many cultures, black cats are still seen as bringers of luck and prosperity. Today, they are cherished companions and symbols of mystery, resilience, and independence. The belief that black cats are incarnations of Satan is a misconception rooted in historical fear, not fact.